Hey guys, it's Marissa from Krietz Customs, and this is another episode of Lifted. Beside me, I have a 2015 Ford F-150 four-door SuperCrew XLT. This is another Krietz Customs build, and we're going to go over the specs of what we added. Here we added a 6-inch rough country suspension lift. We also added the wheels and tires. The wheels on this one is a fuel Contra. It's a D614 in all chrome. The size is a 22 by 12 with a -44 offset. The tire is a Nitto Ridge Grappler. It's a 35, 12, 50, 22. It's a more aggressive tire, so it's good for some off-roading. So your wheel and your tire package is a great, classy, flashy look for your ride. Krietz Customs did not put fender flares specifically on this vehicle, and the running boards are still factory, but if you'd like to upgrade them, we can do that for you as well. If you're in the market for a lifted vehicle, this one is actually in our inventory. The stock number is C43821. So make sure you check it out at KreitzAuto.com. If you're interested in getting your vehicle upgraded, check out our website at KreitzCustoms.com or shoot us a Facebook message at Krietz Customs.